Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out these seat covers in the 2001 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's an awesome looking set. Mossy Oak New Breakup Country for the insert and the trim, so full camo set. And with the elk logos, also a driver pistol pocket that we'll be looking at, and a driver side pistol holster. It's an awesome looking set. Let's check this out. All right, so let's check out the covers inside here. Again, this is the Mossy Oak New Breakup Country for the insert and trim, so full camo on this setup. As you can see, this is a 40-20-40 seat, meaning that 3 people could sit in here. If this middle seat section was folded up, that would fold up into a seat right there, so 3-person seating. If you have the buckets with a hard console, that's available as well. But this one has a top lid, a 20-section backrest, and a 20-section bottom on here. Another unique thing that we did inside here was the headrest logos in the elk. So we did the black oval with the elk logo. It looks really nice. Both driver and passenger sides matching up like that. Looks really cool. And this is a unique seat. It has an integrated seat belt. So the seat belt can come out, it comes out of the seat actually right there. So the seat cover will accommodate for that and still be able to use the seat belt. And then also in this year, the seat belt actually comes down and goes into the bottom of this seat as well. So the seat cover accommodates for that as well right there. Now this has the electric controls on the outside. So I have a full install video kind of showing how I did this, but those are still going to be accessible. You can still use all your controls. We did a driver side pistol pocket. This is the removable pistol pocket. I have a full-size pistol inside here. As you can see, it's a little tight. So if you have a full-size pistol, I actually recommend doing a MOLLE pocket. The MOLLE pocket is a larger pocket. Well, it's actually the same dimensions, but it's not funneled like this down right here, so the pistol can actually go sideways and actually fit larger pistols inside of it. And there's MOLLE webbing on the outside. This is an option as well. This is the removable one. Take this off. The MOLLE pocket is actually sewn on to the seat, so that does not remove. But keep that in mind as you're ordering. If you want to order that, again, I like the MOLLE pocket personally, but everything turned out really nice inside here. Oh, the other option that we did is the driver's side pistol holster. So you can see that's the holster right there. Tucks in right there. As you can tell, the holster and the pistol pocket, those are made out of the same fabrics. And so you could stuff a pistol on the inside right there, and that'll actually push down a little bit more right here. Let's see if we can get this in here. There you go, more like that. So that would be your driver side pistol holster right there. And so you could holster it right there in between your driver's seat and that middle seat cushion. It really works the best in 40-20-40 seat configurations because there's a cushion right there, and then it's easier to slide the pistol in compared to when it's a set of buckets with a hard console, like a plastic console. It gets a little tight right there. So if you have a hard console, plastic console right there, we do recommend getting one of our front pistol or gun pocket options. Again, my favorite one is the MOLLE pocket, so check that one out on the site. And again, just a nice looking set in the Mossy Oak New Breakup Country. Again, everything trimmed out really nice. Let me see if I'll just get this open for you so you can see that. So Velcro right there, all attached up. Here's one of my install trim tools right there, but as you can see, everything finished out really nice, and still gonna have full access to all of the sections there. I'll move this driver seat forward just so you can see the back side of the seat is gonna have full coverage back here. There's a close-up on that Velcro section that attaches up right there around that integrated seat belt. So full coverage down the back side. That way, if things get dirty on the back side here, it's gonna be easy to wipe down, keep looking nice and clean. attached up here, Velcro. There's buckles and straps under here. Again, I have a full install video showing you how to do all that. But again, my favorite piece of this was the elk logos. We do have some American flag logos as well, but I do like these elk logos, how they looked inside here. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you gotta go over to coversandcamo.com. Look forward to helping you.